Hello. I'm here to share with you some info on eating watermelon is secret to heart's health. Watermelon, the summer fruit, has all that is needed to beat the scorching heat. This fruit is just too good to quench the thirst and make up for water content and electrolytes in your body that helps beat the sizzling hot temperatures. Rich in vitamin A and antioxidant lycopene, it helps rejuvenate the body and restore the lost strength. But other than that, eating watermelon can reduce the risks of blood pressure problems and heart attack. Is it really true? Yes, that's true. Watermelon, known for its antioxidant and cooling properties, works the best to maintain blood pressure in obese people. Besides, eating watermelon regularly improves your heart health and reduces the risk of heart attack. Recent research has confirmed that the summer fruit lowers high blood pressure. Scientists found that the fruit significantly reduces blood pressure in obese people even in chilled weather conditions. This is all because of the stress that your body has to undergo when it tries to maintain the warmth. This sudden stress increases the pressure on blood and leads to high blood pressure. Your heart works harder in a bid to keep the body warm, and this increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Watermelon extract, by reducing this pressure on the heart and aorta, decreases the chances of high blood pressure and heart attack. How it helps improve heart's health. Watermelon is rich in potassium, which is an important component of body fluids and cells. Eating watermelon controls the blood pressure and heart rate. Thus, it protects you against the coronary heart diseases, heart attacks and strokes. Watermelon extract contains amino acid L-citrulline and L-arginine, which when consumed in 4 and 2 grams respectively without taking any medicine for high blood pressure, can show great results. In contrast to placebo, eating watermelon extracts has positive impact on high blood pressure and vascular parameters. Studies have shown that improvements in cardiac stress and blood pressure were noticed in people eating watermelon extracts regularly. Other health benefits. Watermelon is a great source of a powerful antioxidant vitamin A that helps improve immunity and vision. Vitamin A also helps maintain healthy skin and mucous membranes. Consumption of watermelon offers protection against oral cavity and lung cancer. Watermelon is also a good source of antioxidant flavonoids such as cratoxanthin, lycopene, zeaxanthin, lutein and beta-carotene. Eating watermelon works the best to protect against prostate, pancreatic, colon, breast, lung and endometrial cancers. Moreover, phytochemicals such as carotenoids and lycopene in watermelon help protect your cells from oxygen-free radicals. Other excellent nutrients in watermelon include carotenoid pigment and lycopene that protects skin from harmful ultraviolet rays. This further reduces the risk of developing skin cancer. Thanks for watching. Please click my link in description for more information.